come to the Dominican and live your best life. Okay? Don't wait. Don't walk. Run. Hey, foodie family. It is officially day 3. Today we spent it on the beach. Can you see the beach? And I am getting a nice tan, if you can't tell. Today is Friday. Saturday, we're going to Catamaran. Sunday, we have massages on the beach. And yeah, everybody's relaxing. Let me show you my mom, my sister, and Alani. They're relaxing. Nick and Cadence are out there in the water. Right there. Floating in the ocean. Gracias. I do not know. She want to tan. She want to feel everything. Alani says she's going to experience it all. Foodie family. Today's Saturday, so I think that means day 3. We are on our way to an excursion. Like I said the other day, we're going to go snorkel. Here's everybody. All right, here we go. I bet the AC works really good in there. It looked like it. Only thing we need is some fried chicken. I'm so hungry. We have taken a step back in time here, huh? Hola. Hola.
That's the remix one.
Woo! Yeah! Yes! Your mama used to know how to sing. Good morning, foodie family. We are at it's Sunday. I don't know, day 4, day 5. Not sure. Time kind of stands still here in the Dominican Republic. No, it's not the Dominican Republic. It's the Dominican Republic. Yeah. Y'all, I want y'all to see what we are about to indulge in. Can you see that? Me is focused. Oh, me, my mom, and my sister. We're about to get massages on the beach. Okay, foodie family, I'm checking back in. We had our massages about an hour or 2 ago. It was slow moving after that. Now, Cadence and I are at the Oceanside buffet, which we just found out last night that there was a different buffet that they have for lunch here. I got salmon. So let's go check out this buffet and see if we can be inspired to cook something at home, all right? Well, it is about 6 o'clock, and we're still at the beach. Well, I'm still at the beach. I don't know where everybody else is, but There's Yaya. Foodie family, we're at dinner. There's everybody.
Oh yeah. Make it make sense in my head. I a new drink.
No, I got it.
What you got?
That's her name, Miss Cool.
Esteca. Bisteca.
I didn't know that's what came on.
How is it?
Very good. Thank you.
Is it very good for real?
The lady that used to keep
Oh, she said no. Oh, I can't even keep up with her. She's so fast. Go, go, go.
I can do that. Mom, you want to try?
She wanted her own. Yummy. All right, sweet family. I know this vlog has been a bit all over the place, but that's because we were living in the moment and having tons and tons of fun. I hope you enjoyed this vacation morning just as much as we did here in the Dominican Republic. And we'll see. Was I inspired to cook something? Make a cocktail? We'll find out. But remember to comment, like, share, and also subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know when it's time to meet up again. Say bye, Cadence.
Bye.